Yes, it's possible to earn $1,000 a day with ChatGPT, but it requires a strategic approach. Identify high-demand services like content writing and digital marketing. Here are some profitable services that can help you meet your income goals. To make $1,000 a day, consider charging between $200 and $500 per article for freelance writing. The hours required depend on the service and pricing. Freelance writing takes 6 to 10 hours for 2 to 5 articles. Challenges include competition, finding clients, maintaining quality, and managing your time effectively. You can find clients through freelance platforms, networking, cold outreach, and marketing. ChatGPT can automate many tasks like content creation, email responses, and SEO content writing. You can scale your income by raising your rates, building a team, and creating passive income sources. It may take weeks to months to reach $1,000 daily, depending on your services and efforts. To stay consistent, set clear goals, focus on high-value services, and retain clients.